Alright, here I am down at the East Bowl on February 14, 2022, Valentine's Day. And we're into week 17 now, if I'm recalling correctly. So I'm going to make a quick recon today of all my areas using my anamorphic lens again today. See how everything's looking. Okay, gonna sweep around to the east end here. Gonna make a slow sweep around. Got a lot of trench work going on, it looks like, here in the East Bowl. I'm going to try to hit all my areas today. So, looks like we got some irrigation pipe work going on back up here towards this west end of the East Bowl. I'm just going to make sort of a quick stop at each of my points today. Try to get them all in. So, just getting a scan around here. Everything's looking good. Down here at the East Bowl. Alright, I'm going to finish this up here and I'm going to move on around to in front of City Hall, I think. Make a sweep over there. Right, here I am down at City Hall in the Civic Lawn. Going to make a sweep around here. See what's going on down here in the Civic Lawn. Doesn't look like the West Bowl's very active, but do have some activity down here on the east end. But the West Bowl's looking pretty quiet. I'm just going to make a couple of sweeps here. My anamorphic lens. Time now is 9:14 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. It'll take just a minute here to unlock some of my settings. Got locked by accident here, I think. Alright, gonna make another sweep here with my settings unlocked. Don't end up with some kind of focusing error or something. Gotta be careful with these touch screens. If you accidentally touch something and don't pay attention to what you've done, you can mess yourself up. So don't want to have that. Alrighty, so this is what we got down here at the Civic Lawn today. Got the little front end loader over here doing some leveling work or something, moving some dirt around over there. So I think this will cover this. Gonna head back around and go over to the West Paseo now. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo. Time is now 9:31 p.m. a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Checking out the West Paseo. West Paseo's looking pretty quiet here. Pan down here from this level, but I don't see much activity going on down here at all. I think they sort of completed all the irrigation and trench work down here, so this is area's probably waiting for the next level of work. I mean, We're going to tear out this set of steps here, and that'll take that down to street level, get all their area down to street level. So that's probably one of the next things that'll happen down here. Shoot down into the West Bowl. There's not much activity in the West Bowl either. They do have some surveying equipment set up down here, so they must be getting ready to directly ahead of me there by those trees. They have some surveying equipment set up, so they must be getting ready to do some of their final surveying for laying out the stuff that they're going to be putting out here, planters, whatnot. It'll come in the future. So we'll see what they got going on. Truck moving back down through here. Truck's usually hauling some irrigation pipe. I saw them coming back with a trailer, so maybe they're taking all the irrigation pipe they had down here back to the East Bowl now. All the irrigation pipe is in the East Bowl area. We're going up the steps here. See what I can see of the West Bowl from over here. I don't think I'll go all the way to my normal West Bowl perch today. There's just no activity over there to shoot that I can see from this vantage point. So I'll just shoot the West Bowl area from here. Make a sweep. Out here, you see their surveying equipment there. Surveying work in the West Bowl area here. Like I've said a few times before in some of my videos, the upcoming demolition work in this area will be to knock out the steps down here on the other side of this tower and to take out the sidewalk over by in front of the Old Town Tavern. Are two things that are left to do in this area. So those are things I see that still need to be done. So I'm not sure when they're gonna do those things. I've heard the Old Town Tavern sidewalk may come out in March, but sometimes all these rumors and hearsay are not always accurate around here, so we'll see. But I think I'll finish this up here, and not sure, I think I may move over to the library steps. Might be the next place I'll go here. We'll see, but I think this will finish this up here for today. At least the West Paseo. Alrighty. Right, here I am down near the library steps, shooting across into the West Bowl. Like I said earlier, I don't really see much activity in the West Bowl there. I'll just sweep around here, see what they're doing down here, and call it a day. See, they got their pipe down here. They're continuing their trench work and irrigation work down here, doing some grading in this area. So not a whole lot going on down here today. So I'll just make a few sweeps around here, call it good. Maybe they're moving towards finishing up all their trench work and irrigation work. And then they'll start moving on to some more concrete work, I think. Like I said in a previous video, back over here, this tree that's straight ahead of me at the end of the sound baffle there above drink water, that should be one of the first areas they start working on, which will be the replacement of the old Marshall Gardens with the new Marshall Gardens. So, see how that goes. But I think this is going to wrap it up for today. Just wanted to come down here and get a sort of a recon with my anamorphic lens of all that was going on. So I think this will cover me for today. Go back home, do my editing process, get this all fixed up, see how it looks. Second time using my anamorphic lens, so I really like the results of the first time. It looks very cinematic, more so than just a 16:9. So I'm going to finish this up here and head on back home. Alrighty.